This is how to make the lock screen clock bigger on your iPhone. This is iOS 26 and it has this feature where you can turn the clock bigger. On iOS 26 you have this option when you can make the clock bigger, and I have to unlock my iPhone. I'll use Face Unlock to unlock it and then do a long press on the lock screen. To change the lock screen, you have to first unlock your iPhone. I use Face ID now, and then do a long press on the lock screen. You see this option to customize there. This is where you can customize the lock screen of your iPhone, and here I have the clock, and you see this little handle there. If I open it, if I drag it down like this, the clock is gonna be much bigger. I prefer not to have it so much like that, but maybe something like this, and then press done and press again in the middle, and now this is the lock screen. It's changed. So if I unlock my iPhone, it's gonna open, and I don't have a clock here on the home screen, but the clock on the lock screen is much bigger now than before, and you can always customize it from here, from the lock screen settings. You do a long press, but first I have to unlock the iPhone, and then the long press, customize, and I can really adjust it. This is the maximum. This is the biggest size you can set it to, but it's not so great. I like to have it something like this. I prefer something like this. I think that's a good size. And also the wallpaper is a little bit dynamic, so it's going to change based on the time of the day also, and I like it like that. That's how you make the clock bigger on the lock screen of your iPhone. Thanks for watching.